Last week I caught the flu, all my chest and my nose still sore. So I didn't know what to do, I had to run on to the drugstore. I telling the pharmacist I have the flu and I need a cure. She give me a bottle of Vicks, myself I ask her what that for. She say, use Vicks for cold and fuck off. Use Vicks for cold and fuck off.
Fuck off.
Use Vicks for cold and fuck off. Use Vicks for cold and fuck off. Inhale, exhale, that is all you have to do. Take a little bit of the Vicks and rub it on your chest for the flu. Let's go, inhale, exhale. When your nose feeling stuffed, you can use it for pain. If you don't want to use it for cough, let's go. Use Vicks for cold and fuck off. 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 The woman say I annoying and today she don't want to talk. She already tell me what the Vicks for, so don't put the pressure up. I tell her I didn't hear. The cold on my both is blocked. She tell me for the last time, my boy, use Vicks for cold and fuck off. Use Vicks for cold and fuck off.